a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
So my baby's been having a little bit of trouble with his skin, like a lot of dry areas and different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and make him some breast milk soap to see if that helps his skin get better and softer and helps those dry spots go away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And of course, the recipe will be in the description.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
My background is so loud, but it's Independence Day, and I convinced Blake to take us out for drinks and tacos, you know. So I'm gonna hurry up and get ready because it's kind of late. I woke up at like 6. It's like 7:30 right now. So I'm just hurry up and get ready. Just finished getting ready and it want to start lightning and thundering outside. Like, boy, I'm still going outside. I don't even care. I need to drink. Like, fuck yeah, aggravated. Because I checked the weather and it was not raining today, or I would have never gotten ready. I'm so pissed off right now. I'm literally on my way out the door and it starts to pour. Like, this rain better stop because I checked the forecast. It wasn't even supposed to rain. And now that I'm already ready, it wants to fucking rain. Like, the parents are outside. it pop out? Okay. I want to take pictures.
Why? You hate Kendrick.
I do. But man, do I love me some super food. That is my, oh my god. And then Trixie, like, because when it came out, that was right before we went to DC to her auntie. And I had a repeat. I kept playing it. And I Miguel, my soundtrack, I came out right outside. And then she's like, what is that? And I'm like, what? Hold up, drink? Bitch, sit down. Let me tell you something. And then she liked it. That was my shit. She's like, oh, what's in I'm like, yeah, girl. I never make a video after we finish.
Don't you look good, girls and boys?
Guys and
women's.
and guys and girls.
Girls and guys. Yeah, she gave birth. She definitely did.
Period. So we went ahead and ordered our baby a nursery camera because we've been using the regular Ring camera. So we went ahead and got one specifically for, well, our room, since the nursery is not set up. And this one comes with 2 cameras. One of them moves, I think it's the one on the bottom. And then it also comes with like this tablet thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and try to set it up and go ahead and download the app and stuff. Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you just said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for why it's good? We've had it like on that. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than once. We've had it like on that. Take you there. So me and Bae are having a date night tonight. We're having a Play-Doh date night. I got the inspiration from a reel I saw on Instagram, and I'm like, this is really super, super cute. And I feel like we're gonna have fun while doing it. And he's a clown anyway, so he's gonna make it fun regardless. So I'm gonna find some different little characters or sculptures for us to mold in the Play-Doh, and then we're gonna see who makes the best Play-Doh sculpture. No. And I'm also gonna make us dinner tonight. I'm gonna make us some Italian hoagies and some french fries because I'm missing the Italian festival at home, so yeah, that'll be a good substitution. And what else I was saying?
How much you love me?
Dang, that's not what I was saying. I was something. Shit, I forgot. I'll just make another part, a scene. But yeah, we about to go to Walmart to get all the ingredients for our date night. And no, we're not a Walmart sponsor. Get the people what they want. Well, let the people know. Let the people know.
These people?
No, your people. Oh my god. So I found these 2 clay sets. I'm not sure what colors we exactly need, but I feel like these should be enough for whatever we're gonna make. It's not like it'll be that big anyway, so. Now we just need to find your daddy. I lost him. It's raining cats and dogs right now. It's storming. It just started. Not as bad as it was a few nights ago, but it's really bad. We're at Kroger down the block from our house. The gas station literally just lost power. So I'm like, oh my God, I hope we have power when we go home. So we're gonna see about that. Aww. Little baby boo. Baby boo. Baby. So this is the first drawing that we're gonna make. Not drawing, sculpture. Oh my God. So I'm gonna go ahead and share out. I don't know if you guys can hear King in the background, but I'm gonna go ahead and share out the clay so me and Blake can have some. We're gonna need black, white, and yellowish orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our stuff together.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark.
So we're on our way to ATV ride, and I don't know what my expectations are, honestly, but I know that there's an op here, and it may be time for me to throw somebody.
What does bitch think she
I'm
is?
not gonna act accordingly.
Why you start cutting up as soon as you get the camera?
Pretty much, yeah. She keeps saying, oh, I'm gonna beat you up, I'm gonna beat you up. Bitch, why you wanna beat me up? Because you tired of beating yourself up because you wish it was me? Dinner was crazy.
Mariah thinks she's really a tough bitch, but like she's really weak. So she always need validation from bitch. Let me link it with you because you can fight. Like Tasiki, it's just like I really just don't really get the bitch.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and.
These are how the penguins came out. Can you guess whose penguin is who? That's all I'm gonna say. Your penguin's shaped like you. Pants sagging. Let me look where I'm going. Yes!
I see that puts bad to it.
My God, what's wrong